Yo, what's going on, guys? Woo, how's everybody doing? Good evening. So, let's get into it here. A little evening live stream, see what's going on. A little hockey going on in the background. We're going to do a live stream over on the Patreon shortly after this, guys. Got another one-on-one to do. Kind of a good night. Kind of a good night. Bitcoin's dropping like a stone in the water, which is what we've been waiting for. We wicked all the way down so far to 81,300. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. Just waiting. I'm waiting for that. We had a very poor week. Well, good for us, weekly close. So that's what I was hoping for, guys. A nice pull down to the downside tonight. Hopefully it continues down through this evening so that I can buy up some of these nice juicy lows. You know what I'm saying? Okay, Allison, what's going on? Watching over on X. What's happening? Good to see you. Good to see you. Interesting times ahead. Hell yeah, there is. Hell yeah, there is. What else do we got? J Money, Bulbasaur in the house. What's going on, man? Your boy, first, second. What's up, Money? What up, weirdos? Good to see you. Good to see you. I'm waiting with dry powder. There you go. Nice to see, guys. Nice to see. These altcoins taking a little bit of a hit with Bitcoin. Very nice, guys. What's dry powder? Isaac, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Guys, as always, make sure that you're hitting the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. Doesn't cost you a single thing. Guys, remember all of the crazy bots that jumped into the stream right at the end this morning? That was absolutely crazy, guys. That was absolutely crazy. Okay, what else do we have? Wow, there's only 45 people here. Holy smokes. This is why I don't do evening live streams. Bruno, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you. Wise Minds in the house. I sold my girlfriend for some dry powder. Wife changing wealth, eh? Facts, what's up, buddy? Amazing how we were at 90K plus. You'd have 200 plus people in the chat. Could hardly read them all. Now it's 30 people. I know. The funny thing about it, Facts, is that the people who take off, who don't stick around, they don't even realize that it's more important to pay attention to what's going on when things are down than it is to pay attention to them when things are going parabolic, right? Because then, like I've compared them before, the people who don't stick around when things are red, they leave, they don't watch the videos and stuff. They're the ones who are like, when you go to a movie theater and someone shows up late and then they're sitting there and they're asking everybody around them, like, well, why is this person doing that? Why is this happening? And you just want to look at them and be like, bro, shut the hell up. Why didn't you show up on time? That's what those people are like, right? They come back after dawdling off, thinking that they can just put money in, leave, not pay attention, come back and get rich. And then they come in and they start asking everybody, hey, man, what's going on? What's going on? Why is this doing that? And you're just like, shut up, bro. Sit down and pay attention. That's what it's like. Paul, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, my dude. There she is, Gamma Goddess in the house. Let's continue to stay calm and make the best moves we can so we can get this money. Yes, I did a little bit of DCAing when we dipped down on Bitcoin about 45 minutes ago. I put in my buy orders and stuff, and then I put my buy alerts up over on the Patreon for what I scooped up. Scooped up about 4 or 5 different altcoins. Eddie, what's up, buddy? Thanks for the one-on-one last week. I have a much clearer picture of what to do. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Wise Mind, Ted DiBiase in the house. Guys, listen. If you want to book a one-on-one, if you don't know what you should be doing right now, if you're worried about the market, if people have you convinced you're going into a bear market and stuff like that, you don't know what's happening. Should you be buying? Should you be selling? When should you be buying? Get over to the Patreon, guys. Get a one-on-one booked in with me. Let's get you pointed in the right direction. Shannon, what's up, man? Grateful for you and the Patreon family. Hey, absolutely. Green tea, we got Squirtle and we got Bulbasaur going on. Squirtle making an appearance. I'm locked in. This is a full-time commitment. Yes, That's exactly it, Green Tea. Exactly. That's what people fail to understand. If you think for 1 second that the people who make millions of dollars in crypto, they make life-changing wealth, they just kind of breeze in whenever they feel like it. They disappear for weeks at a time. They don't pay attention to what's going on. Um, if you think that that's what it's like, I mean, you're never going to make it. You're never going to make it. You have to, even though you work a full-time job, you have to treat this like a job. You have to be committed. You have to do the research. You have to be paying attention, right? Because one slip up, one day you don't pay attention, and one of the projects that you have high hopes on gets flushed because something bad happens, and then you're sitting there going, well, what happened? Well, you didn't pay attention. That's what happened. Steve, what's up, buddy? I often think of one of the best quotes I've heard you say. Think one of the best quotes I've heard you say. Well, don't leave me in suspense, Steve. Which one is it, man? Wise mind. This shows you who will be around in the bear market. I ain't going nowhere. Absolutely, brother. Yeah, all those bots. What was up with that? Does someone send them all over here? I was moving like crazy, like a crazy person trying to get rid of them. Yeah, it was insane. We just got like flooded out of nowhere. It was crazy. But we'll take it. We'll take it, I guess. Luckily it was at the end of the stream, so that was good, right? Atlanta Braves fan, what's up, my man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Guys, in crypto, your portfolios will be read 90% of the time. Exactly. Right? Exactly. I love it, Steve. I love it. Sounds like a handsome man must have said that. Anthony, aloha, my friend. Good to see you. Jovan's in the house. Lizzie, what's going on? Good evening, Rob. I do love your evening live streams. Thank you so much, Lizzie. I love you being here. Absolutely. All right, so let's we're all caught up in the chat already because the chat's not very busy tonight. So let's venture out into the news and see what's going on in this wide world of crypto, shall we? Just bear with me. Un momento, por favor. Okay, what do we have? Oh, we got a super chat here. Oh, super fantastic. There you go. What's good, Ryan? Good to see you, man. Let's get it. Loving the red so much, I'm gonna miss it. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly it. You get so like tuned into DCing and buying and looking forward to red that when things flip green and they start going crazy, you almost get anxiety over it. You know what I mean? It's crazy. Jamie, what's up, man? I'm the little man. What? I'm the little man. I look forward to bear markets. There you go, man. There you go. Smash the like button, says Heinz. Isaac with the super chat. My guy, I appreciate you, brother. Rob, is 50 to 100K too much to redeploy in the summer side? Nope, it's not too much, my friend. It's never enough, brother. It's never enough. That's how we do. That's how we do. Yeah, Bitcoin's climbed back up over 82,000. Come on, I want it down. Let's get it down below 80. Let's get down below 80, guys. That's what I want to see. All right, guys, before I get into the news real quick, as you know, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, on your screen right now. Perfected with fingerprint technology, guys. Do not leave your crypto on exchanges or on your Coinbase wallet or whatever. If your crypto, if you get hacked or swindled or swiped or whatever, saying swipe or no swiping doesn't work, okay? You have no recourse to get your money back if you get hacked. So get yourself a self-custody wallet. There's nothing worse. Imagine high 6 figures or 7-figure portfolio through this altcoin season, only to wake up the next day and find someone hacked it and drained your wallet. Could you imagine your heart sinking out of your butthole? No, you can't. It's horrible. So do not risk it, guys. Get yourself a decent self-custody wallet. Use our link down below. Get a fantastic deal. Anthony, this is a great opportunity to do more research, sharpen our pencils, and look at all opportunities available. It's a great time to be in the market. Hell yeah, it is, man. Hell yeah, Isaac. Thank you. That helps a lot. Hey, no problem, Isaac. Brother, like I said as well, man, you know how to get at me over on the Patreon. We're live every evening as well. So if you're ever wondering if you're too deep in or anything like that, man, just ask me on one of the live streams over on the Patreon. I got you covered, brother. I got you covered. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the news going on around the market. What do we got up first here? Okay, so will Bitcoin's market take a hit? Key group begins selling at a loss. What's this all about? Bitcoin's market dynamics are undergoing a shift as the annualized Sharp ratio has dipped. Ratio has dipped to natural levels. Natural. Oh my God, I'm having a night tonight. Neutral levels. A pattern observed in the past. Simultaneously, the STHSOPR has fallen below 1, suggesting that an increase in losses among short-term traders and stirring a wave of uncertainty in the markets. Now, we talked about this last night, how short-term buyers were selling at a loss because they were panic selling, right? So the short-term sellers are causing selling pressure, Bitcoin going down further, which is fine with me. Panic sell. I will buy your fear, absolutely, at a discount as well. Bitcoin's current Sharp ratio has taken a turn from previous highs, dipping notably into the neutral zone. This decline reflects a pattern in neutral or near zero levels, were followed by periods of price stability or mid-correction before the price resumed its upward movement. As the ratio remains close to neutrality, it seems likely that the market will consolidate in the upcoming weeks. Bitcoin, already read that part. Notably, dips in early and mid-March coincide with price decline, suggesting increased panic among traders. Historically, such drops in the STHSOPR are indicative of capitulation movements when weak investors exit the market. The weak ones, they don't even lift. However, past cycles imply that extended periods below 1 often precede recovery phases as selling pressure diminishes. It's almost as if we're going to go down and go sideways through April and then go parabolic through May and June, like I've been saying. Interesting. With Bitcoin's price fluctuating between 80K and 85K, investors are keenly observing for a rebound. Yeah, no, we dropped to 81.8 we're at right now. The outlook for Bitcoin's price showing a cooling momentum, with recent daily candles indicating signs of selling pressure. The MACD indicator remains positive, but shows decreasing bullish momentum, suggesting possible consolidation. The RSI at 44.29 indicates a neutral to slightly bearish sentiment, meaning that Bitcoin is neither oversold or overbought, which is kind of a pain in the butt, really. Concurrently, the OBV has slightly declined, reinforcing reduced buying pressure. If the $83,000 support holds, Bitcoin may consolidate before making another upwards move. However, further weakness could lead to a test of the support level of 80,000. Well, guess what? We did not hold. We dropped. We're at 81,900 right now. A potential MACD bearish cross of the RSI falling below 40 could signal further downside. A breakout above 85, on the other hand, could signal a break to the upside. Nope, we're going down. I've been saying we're going down for almost 2 months now, guys. Thankfully, most of you guys listened to me and saved up your dry powder for this. So that I am thankful for, because y'all are going to make some gains, man. Y'all are going to make some gains off of this. Bitcoin drops below 85K as market faces growing uncertainty. But first, let's check out the chat here. We need the bull run back. No, not till May, man. Not till May, right? Do I have to smash it or can I just tap it? Hey, you can hit it, quit it, jack stacked and fanny pack. Let's go, your boy. Crimson Crypto. Every time this dip happened, Rob has warned us. I have accumulated more and more of my main projects. In Rob we trust. 6 figures waiting on 7. Get yourself to the Patreon ASAP. Yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely, guys are missing out. And when everything's red, guys, we are taking advantage. Good evening, Juan. What's up, buddy? Thank you for another live stream. We need the needs every day. We appreciate you. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. Your boy with the super chat. Have to jump over to this channel to drop a super chat. We appreciate you and what you do for our community. Hey, I love you guys, man. I love you guys. Absolutely. Absolutely, man. Kat says, Gamma Goddess, that was terrible. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, she was scrambling. I felt bad. She was nailing those those spammers though. Absolutely. Kat, good morning. Good to see you. All right, so let's get into this one. What do we have? Bitcoin continues to face downward pressure after failing to sustain levels above 88K. The recent drop of Bitcoin below 85K point generated worry among traders, experts, and market analysts. Didn't send us worry, did it, guys? Because we have been expecting it. The combination of the new trade regulations issued by U.S. President Mr. T, along with decreasing marketplace interest, has caused Bitcoin to encounter significant setbacks. Bitcoin falls below key support as selling pressure increases. Bitcoin's prices declined sharply, falling to a low of 84,200. It's actually 81,900 right now. On Friday, before stabilizing around 83,000 at press time, a price fall below 85 support produced widespread market liquidations. Reports show that the crypto market lost more than $400 million in positions, while Bitcoin long positions lost more than 116 million. The market downturn occurred after Mr. T declared a 25% automotive import tax set to start April 3rd. Experts predict that the introduced tariffs may create more market instability. The trading firm QCP Capital made it clear to investors that ongoing trade relations among targeted economies would bring new market instability in the volatile trade environment. Adding to the selling pressure, wallets linked to the U.S. government transferred 97 Bitcoin and 884 ETH. This movement has fueled speculation about a possible sell-off, but reports suggest it may be related to asset consolidation under Mr. T's recent executive orders. Market intelligence firm Glassnode reports that Bitcoin demand has weakened, with realized profit and loss volume dropping to 85% since Bitcoin's all-time high above 109,000. Analysts suggest this indicates slowing capital inflows, making it harder for Bitcoin to recover in the short term. Bitcoin may sink to 65,600 based on the bearish analysis of experienced trader Peter Brandt, pointing at finished bear wedge formation. Brandt stated that this market from double top phase stood at 65,600. An ongoing Bitcoin price decline will be observed for support levels at 82,000 and 76,000 by traders. The price might fall to 70,000 when support breaks below 82,000 and 76,000. While long-term holders have begun accumulating BTC again, the short-term market outlook remains uncertain. Traders remain cautious, waiting for strong catalysts to determine Bitcoin's next move. Jake the Snake, everything Rob, evening Rob. Hope all is well with you and yours. Let's get this crypto. Absolutely, man. Things are going down. Big things popping. Little things stopping. Beebs, my dude, my brother from another mother. What's going on, man? What else do we have going on in the market? A little bit of Uniswap news. Check this out, guys. A little bit of DeFi. Is Coinbase slowly taking business away? Coinbase Wallet, I should say more accurately, taking business away from Uniswap and MetaMask. Quite possibly, guys. Quite possibly. Let's have a look at it. Just uno momento here. All right, let's have a look, shall we? Uniswap app ranking drops amid falling user activity and trade volume. Uniswap's position in the U.S. finance app store has dropped sharply over the past 2 months. After reaching a short-term peak of number 99, its rank has fallen to 364. Oof, that hurts. Marking the lowest level since early 2023, the app's previous average rank hovered around the 190s for most of 2024. The temporary boost in ranking came after the U.S. election victory of the pro-crypto administration, followed by another rise during the January 2025 inauguration. During that time, multiple crypto-related apps experienced brief upward momentum in store rankings. However, Uniswap's later decline has been more pronounced and sustained compared to its peers. Unlike other apps that returned to average positions, Uniswap dropped further. This fall coincides with the reduced activity across the protocol. On the Ethereum network, Uniswap has seen a 45% decline in the number of active users since the start of the year in January of 2025. Uniswap has over 69,000 users. By March, the figure dropped to 37,000. Wow. A level last observed in July of 2023. This decrease reflects broader slowdown in retail trading on decentralized platforms. At the same time, monthly trading volume has followed a downward trend. Between December 2024 and January of 2025, Uniswap's volume fell by 10%, followed by a further 22% decline in February. Although March has not ended, the data suggests the current month's performance will fall short. Volume so far accounts for just over half of February's total, indicating continued pressure on the exchange. The data shows a pattern that links Uniswap's user activity with changes in market sentiment following the election cycle. However, the lack of sustained engagement suggests deeper concerns, whether driven by reduced retail participation or competition from other platforms. The ongoing decline raises questions about the protocol's near-term performance. For now, the metric remains below past averages, and there's no sign of immediate reversal. I would like to see those numbers put up against Coinbase Wallet's app, because I have a feeling that Coinbase Wallet is stealing a lot of that business and a lot of that volume. Because I'll tell you right now, listen, we do live streams over on the Patreon every night, and we talk about everyone using DeFi wallets. And I don't think I've ever seen anyone asking me about how to use their MetaMask or Uniswap. It's always Coinbase Wallet or Phantom Wallet questions in the live stream. So I'm tending to think that I think a big part of it is, the Solana network and or Phantom and Coinbase Wallet taking a lot of that business away from Uniswap and MetaMask. I think they're both most likely more user friendly as well. So, as of March 28th, 2025, the current live price of Uniswap is $5.87, reflecting a daily drop of, I don't care about the tokenomics and stuff of it, of their coin. Volume today sits at approximately 1.33 million Uni tokens, and the market structure remains weak. Uni is hovering above a key psychological support zone near $5.50 to $5.60, and a breakdown below that level could accelerate selling pressure towards $5 or $4.80 a previously tested long-term accumulation range. On the upside, Uni needs to reclaim $6.50 level to build short-term bullish structure with resistance sitting near $7. Technically, the token continues to trade in a declining channel, and despite minor bounce attempts, it remains under the 20-day and the 50-day EMAs. Momentum indicators like the RSI are in the mid-30s, nearing oversold conditions, but not yet signaling a full reversal. MACD remains negative, so things are not looking good for Uniswap here. Volume is down on Uniswap, but volume's down really across the board on most projects, period. So, I mean, there's not a lot going on right now, guys. Not a lot of confidence in the markets, but what are we at now? 81,800. Come on. I want to see a flush. Let's get this. I want to see a flash crash. Let's go. Thanks, Gamma. You played a pleasure. That's good. Absolutely. Oh, Taku, what's up, buddy? You guys buying this dip? New bottoms may be coming for your favorite alts. Brace for impact early this week. Let's go, baby. Have that dry powder ready to deploy. Japan to classify Bitcoin as a financial product. Japan is set to classify Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as financial products, marking a significant shift in the country's regulatory framework, according to a recent report by Nikkei. The move aims to strengthen investor protection and create a clearer regulatory environment for the growing crypto industry. This decision aligns Japan with other major financial markets that are introducing stricter regulations for digital assets. By recognizing cryptocurrencies as financial products, Japan's Financial Services Agency, the FSA, will have greater authority to supervise exchanges and ensure compliance with financial laws. Implications for investors and institutions. Classifying cryptocurrencies as financial products will offer additional protection for retail investors, enhanced transparency, supporting standards, and stricter compliance measures will help mitigate fraudulent activities and market manipulation. Institutional investors are also likely to benefit from the regulatory clarity with a well-defined legal framework. Large financial entities may feel more comfortable entering the crypto market, driving increased liquidity and stability. Japan's role in global crypto regulations. Japan has long been a leader in crypto regulations. Following the famous Mt. Gox hack in 2014, the country implemented stringent rules for exchanges. This latest move underscores Japan's commitment to balancing innovation with investor protection. The global crypto community will be closely watching how Japan's regulatory shifts impact market dynamics as other countries consider similar moves. Japan's proactive approach could serve as a model for establishing comprehensive crypto regulations. Moto, what's up, man? Evening, Rob. Swoop up Samaria today. There you go. Nice prices. These prices are fantastic. Absolutely. Beebs, I've been DCing lightly this evening. That's what I like to hear. Boston, what's up, man? This is the right place to ask for a looky-loo on Gods Unchained. That sounds like a Xbox game or something. Is that what that is? $32 million market cap. Well, it's got good tokenomics. 500 million max supply. 362 million in circulation. It's a GameFi, play to earn. Nice. All-time high was 3 years ago, $8.80. It's on Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com. Yeah. Seems like a pretty decent project to me, man, from what I see. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, man. Don't forget to join the Patreon group if you want to be part of the secret weirdo society. Exactly, guys, exactly. Or as Lizzie would call them, the bunch of wieners, right? Rob, my brother, I know you sold Turbo. No, I didn't. I still hold Turbo. Do you still feel the price target is 10 to 20 cents? Respect always. Yes, I do still feel that 10 cents is my target, and I did not sell my Turbo. I still hold all my Turbo. God, yeah, thank you. Hey, no problem, boss. No problem, man. I got you. I got you. Okay, so we're going to continue to watch this. Hopefully it flushes down further, guys. I got to get ready for a live stream over on the Patreon, guys. If you want to continue the conversation, if you need help, if you have questions, get over to the Patreon, guys. I will be live over there in about 25-30 minutes, so do not miss your opportunity. You can also book one-on-one coaching calls with me over there, guys, so get over there, especially if you are new to crypto, guys, okay? If you're holding just a bunch of coins, if you're over diversified, if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know where you should be selling, where you should be buying, how you should be consolidating, book a one-on-one coaching call with me over on the Patreon, guys. Let's sit down, have a private conversation about your portfolio, help you maximize it and get you pointed in the right direction. Listen, you got about 5 or 6 weeks of downward pressure and sideways action to get your portfolio together, okay? After that, it's going to be a nice parabolic run, in my opinion, for the following 2 months. So let's get you pointed in the right direction before it's too late. The link is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description, guys. Sorry, Gamma Goddess here says, hey, Rob, did you hear about XEN coming out with their own smart wallet, a non-custodial gas-free wallet built on Onyx, designed for users to access their funds anywhere they go? I'm going to have to check that out. I'm going to have to do a deeper dive on that in a video, Gamma Goddess, because I don't know all the details on that yet. But that sounds super fantastic. So, yeah. All right, guys. I will see you guys in about 25-30 minutes over live on the Patreon. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.